I broke my collarbone recently, so I can't do this job by myself. My son's going to be assisting me. But what we're doing today is we're going to install these earth-sprung LED lights, headlights in my wife's 2007 Hyundai Entourage. Now, I don't have high hopes about these because the box says made in China on them, and it looks like a generic bullshit box. But we're going to install them and see. These were bought on Amazon and had reasonably good reviews. So first thing we have to do is remove this beauty cover that goes across the top of the radiator. So there's about a dozen of these type of little connectors like this, clips that have to be removed, and then we can take that off, and that'll give us access to the mounting pieces that hold the front headlight assemblies in. So these have to be physically removed to replace the light bulbs, unfortunately. We'll be back. Each one of these bulbs, each one of these light housings on each side will have two bolts. We just removed this one. This bracket was already broke. And then there's the other bolt there. So remove those two, and then you'll pop the whole assembly out from the front, and it's the same on the other side as well. Got the driver's side light housing out. I'm sorry, the passenger side light housing out. And we've just installed the low side, the low beam. No, I'm sorry, this is the high beam. We've installed the high beam bulb. Here's the old bulb. If I can get it into the picture, there's the old bulb. I didn't do very good. Okay, there's the housing. If I didn't show that before, there's the housing. This is for the driver's side, or passenger side. This is the low beam. This is the high beam. So, actually, I got it backwards. This is the low beam, and that's the high beam. So we've already installed the bulb. It's just got a retention spring clip in there. You push down and across, and it opens up. Thomas, come replace this one now. With the old bulb, don't touch it with your hand. Put it in where the new bulb was. Okay, he's installing the vapor barrier cap. Yeah, it only goes on one way, unfortunately. You gotta just keep twisting until it pops into place. Get it? Excellent. All right, now we're doing the low beam. Yeah, that's the low beam there. That one was the high beam. That doesn't look right.
Screwdriver.
That doesn't look right. Thomas, it doesn't need. Ah, hell.
What?
These. I bought H7s because this car was supposed to have H7 bulbs. This looks like an H11. So I've got the wrong bulb.
So we can only do two?
We can only do the, yeah. All right, that's it for this video. I can't finish this.